ladies, let's talk beauty products, specifically beauty products that I've been using for years, most of them for years. A few of them I have just started trying, but they all seem to have age-defying effects. So I can't wait to share them with all of you guys today. And the best part, all of these items are part of the Nordstrom anniversary sale and still in stock. So make sure that you listen to this entire video because the last item, number 10, is actually my personal favorite item on the list. I was so excited when I found out that Nordstrom was including it as part of their anniversary sale because I have been using this item for I think around 3 years. And it is honestly life-changing. Like as soon as I got it and started using it, I was like, how did I ever live without this product? Like it is that good. So definitely stick around to hear all 10 items, but specifically the very last item. And if you would please hit that little subscribe button, I would truly appreciate it. I did start my channel a little over 2 years ago to help women just like you look and feel amazing no matter what your age, because I believe that we all deserve to look and feel confident. So let's get started. The top 10 beauty products, part of the Nordstrom anniversary sale. Beauty product number 1 is the new Brow Serum. So as we age, our eyebrows get thinner. I will be 48 in November, and I will definitely say that since I've hit about 44 or 45, I feel like my eyebrows are just getting thinner and thinner until I started using the new Brow. So basically it's serum after I cleanse and tone and moisturize my face at night. I put the serum on my eyebrows every single night. I've been doing it for about 6 months now. And I will say they are fuller, they are thicker, and I even think they got a little darker somehow. I do obviously fill in my brows with the Tom Ford lip pencil and taupe. I swear by it. It's amazing. I will also be linking that down below as well. And know this too, ladies, everything that I'm talking about will be linked down below in my description box. So you can just click away if anything, if you feel like you just can't live without something, because definitely, again, I highly recommend all of these products. So the new Brow, it's amazing, it works, but you have to be consistent with it. I would say definitely, use it like every single night for at least 3 months, and then that is when I started seeing the results. I really didn't see many results prior to the 3-month mark, but now that it's at the 6-month mark, I can definitely tell my brows are fuller and just more youthful looking. Okay, item number 2 is the new Lash Serum. This is the eyelash growth serum, and this definitely works. Also, another thing I noticed as I've gotten a little bit older is that my eyelashes, maybe they don't grow as much, and they're certainly not as thicker as they used to be. So I do use the Chantecaille mascara that I absolutely love and I swear by, and it has growth serum in it, so I use that during the day. That was part of the anniversary sale, but it's sold out, but you can still get it, so I will be sure and link it down below because I honestly love that mascara. But the serum that I use at night, in addition to that, has really made the world a difference. My eyelashes are longer, they're thicker, they're fuller, and I just think eyelashes, like really beautiful, thick, even like fake looking eyelashes almost, are definitely more youthful looking. And I will say, I owe that to the new lash enhancing serum, along with using that Chantecaille mascara with the growth serum in it. So those 2 products definitely make the world of difference. Okay, the next item that I love and I've been using part of the anniversary sale is this really beautiful rose gold brush set. So these brushes are so soft. They are very dense. So there's definitely plenty of hair there, and your makeup goes on beautifully. I specifically love this angled one for my bronzer. I always do like the shape of a 3. I think there's like a little bit of water on this. I think I spilled a water bottle in my bag, so hopefully I didn't just smear water all over my face, but love the angled one for the bronzer. I like to do this just regular one for my blush. I always love getting new brush sets because I honestly don't buy brush sets very often. So when they go on sale, I love to scoop them up. And these are very just beautiful, high quality brushes that I think you will love because I absolutely love them. I honestly like this little one too for like the highlighter. You should always sort of put your highlighter at the top of your cheekbone, maybe down the bridge of your nose, maybe in your little Cupid's bow. So this one is perfect for that. This set is only $40, and after the anniversary sale, the price actually goes up to $116. So it is a phenomenal deal. Okay, the next product I want to talk about is the Petite facial kit by New Face. This is a $219 value right now, but after the anniversary sale, the price will go up to $358. So in this set comes this device here, and also this device. This one is for your lips, and this one is for your jawline, your cheeks, you know, even your neck, and you always want to go in an upward motion here. You turn it on. I'm not going to turn it on because it sort of makes a noise, so I don't want to do that during the video, but you know, you just sort of press up. You want to do this before you put on all of your moisturizers and serums. I have been using this for about 3 months now, and I think I can notice a little bit of a difference. The main reason I can tell, I feel like these smile lines here are less pronounced, and I do think maybe my lips, like in the center maybe, are just like a little bit fuller. So I do think using these products, again, as long as you're consistent with using them, they will work, but they honestly don't work if you're not going to use them like every single night. So if you're not going to use them every night, then I would say definitely skip on this one. But if you really want to see results, then I would say definitely try it out. Use it every single night, because I have noticed a difference. I feel like my whole face just feels a little tighter and just more lifted since I've been using these products. So they're phenomenal. I love them. And currently they're on sale right now during the anniversary sale and fully stocked. Okay, the next beauty item I want to talk about is the Charlotte Tilbury Set. It actually comes with 3 items. The Magic Cream, which I swear by. I have been using this for years. I use it in the morning underneath my makeup. This is a brand new one I just got. It's very moisturizing. I love the way it makes my skin feel. It's honestly like the perfect canvas. It just sort of makes your skin like the perfect canvas to put makeup on over, because it's nourishing, it's moisturizing. It just feels really good on the skin. I just love it. It sort of brightens your skin. It does a great job of sort of lessening those fine lines and wrinkles. It's filled with all sorts of vitamins and minerals. So this is just amazing Magic Cream by Charlotte Tilbury. Highly recommend it. And again, there's nothing else I love putting on more than this before I put on my makeup in the morning. Okay, also you get a setting spray. So a setting spray essentially is something that you use after you put on all of your makeup. I did use that today, and honestly I try to use it every day. I really do like the Charlotte Tilbury one that comes in this set. I can tell a difference because on the days I forget to use my setting spray, say by like 4 p.m., maybe 5 p.m., I feel like my makeup has just melted off, especially in Dallas, especially in the summer when it's humid and hot and like 100 degrees. Like, who else is kind of sick of that? If you live in Dallas, you can totally relate. But honestly, using a setting spray, especially in the summertime, is going to really help your makeup to stay on longer. Obviously, that will help us to look more youthful, because I don't know about you, but when I have on a little bit of makeup, even if it's just a little bit of makeup, I just feel like a better, more youthful version of myself. Also in this 3-pack comes their amazing serum. This has a lot of anti-aging products in it, vitamins, minerals. It's a phenomenal serum. I use the serum at nighttime. It tightens the skin, it brightens the skin. And again, it's going to do a really great job of just lessening those fine lines and wrinkles. All right, the next item, and this is probably my favorite item on the list besides item number 10. This is a set of 5 full-size Charlotte Tilbury products. It comes with a mascara, I think an eyeliner, a lipstick, this beautiful eyeshadow palette, which I swear by. I've had this for probably a year and a half, and it still is, you know, there. Like, I still have it. It lasts a long time because there are 12 stunningly beautiful colors in this palette. And I love her palettes too, because they have like the day, the desk, the date, and the dream. So sort of like, you know, during the day you would want to do this, and as it gets darker, you know, that's for like later at night, or if you go out on a date or something like that. So I really love that's how, you know, she arranges her colors here. So right now I am wearing this palette. I have on this color and this color mixed, and then I have this light color here on the inner corners of my eyes, and then underneath my eyes I put this color and then this darker color here. So it's just kind of really beautiful. Love these warm, just gorgeous colors. And again, this comes in the 5-piece set, part of the Nordstrom anniversary sale. What a great deal. If you've never tried Charlotte Tilbury makeup, I swear by it. Like, every single product is high quality. Every single product goes on beautifully. The Pillow Talk lipstick, which I do have on, I do have it on with some darker lip liner, is part of this set. So it's a beautiful sort of nude shade. I absolutely love it. Again, you can't go wrong with Charlotte Tilbury makeup. She makes like the best makeup. It's probably one of my top 3 favorite lines. I swear by it. I love it. So I'm always excited when it's included in the Nordstrom anniversary sale. Okay, I love mascara. Who else is obsessed with mascara? It's probably my favorite makeup. Like, if I was stranded on an island and I could only take one thing with me, that would actually be lipstick, but the second thing would be mascara. So let me know, if you were stranded on an island and you could only take one makeup product with you, what would that be? Leave it down below in the comments, because I always love hearing from you guys. So I try a ton of different mascaras. I've worn a ton of different mascaras in my day, and I have 2 favorites. Number 1 was the Chantecaille that I talked about earlier with the growth serum. I will be sure and link that down below. But number 2 is the Hypnose Lancome mascara. This is part of the anniversary sale. It comes with 2 tubes as well as a primer. And I will say, if you've never used an eyelash primer, you might want to start now, because it honestly makes the biggest difference. On the days I forget to use my primer, I mean, my lashes just don't look as long, they don't look as full, they don't look as thick. So definitely using an eyelash primer will make the world of difference, making us look more youthful, because when our eyes are brighter, bigger, our lashes are fuller, thicker, it's just going to make us look like younger versions of ourselves. The Hypnose mascara is phenomenal. I always put on the primer first and then 2 coats of this mascara. You will love it. It's amazing. And honestly, if you use the primer as well, it will make your mascara last longer, making you get more for your money, and that's always a plus too. Okay, the next item I want to talk about, part of the anniversary sale, and one that will definitely make you look more youthful, is the Nars Lip Gloss. So I'm a lip gloss junkie. I love lip gloss. I probably apply it like 5 or 6 times during the day. So what I do is, in the morning, I'll use the lip liner. I use the Pillow Talk lip liner and then the Pillow Talk lipstick. Then I'll put on a lip stain, and then I love to top it off just in the center of my lips with a beautiful lip gloss. And what I'm really loving right now is this white Nars lip gloss that comes in this set of 3. It's beautiful. It will make your lips look plumper and bigger if you put it just in the center. Just put like a dollop in the center of your lips. It's gorgeous. You will love it, and it will definitely help you to look more youthful. Okay, the next beauty item that is part of the Nordstrom anniversary sale is the Flower Bomb perfume set. So I do get that question often, like, Heather, what perfume do you wear? And I have a few favorites, but one of my most favorite perfumes, and one that I honestly get more compliments on when I wear it than anything else, would be Flower Bomb. And this Flower Bomb set is part of the anniversary sale. I love it. It's a beautiful scent. It's sort of a spicy floral, so it's not like too sweet, because I kind of like those more like musky sort of, amber scents. So this one is not too sweet. So if you're somebody that doesn't like a perfume that's like crazy sweet and really floral, you will really love this one, because although it is a soft floral, it does have a little bit of spiciness to it. So it's just a beautiful fragrance. I love it. It's really good for all year round. And again, I get so many compliments on it when I wear it. So highly recommend it. I think you guys will love it. Okay, the final item, the one we've all been waiting for, and my personal favorite, is the Ricky Makeup Mirror. This is an amazing lighted makeup mirror, you guys. Honestly, I don't know how I ever did my makeup without using a lighted mirror. It actually has 3 lighting sets, so it can get brighter and even brighter. Okay, actually, I think it has like more than 3, maybe like 5, maybe even like 10 lighting sets. So you just keep pushing the button, it gets lighter, and you can honestly see yourself so well in this mirror. It's amazing. You just won't believe. And it helps you to look younger, because you don't have to put on as much makeup, because you see everything, so you only need, to put it on the spots that you can see where you need it, because I think also wearing too much makeup can honestly age us. So this mirror will help you not to put on too much makeup. It's amazing. I love it. Honestly, I don't know how I did my makeup without it, like I said. Now, it does come with some really cool features. It comes with this stand. So you put the makeup mirror in this stand, and it's perfect. You put it on your little vanity and sit down, and I just love doing my makeup. In fact, one of my favorite things to do when I was a little girl was sit down and watch my mom do her makeup. So love this mirror. And then it also comes with a magnifying mirror in case you're one of those women that likes to see their makeup like blown up, like your face, like super close. I honestly don't use the magnetic mirror that often, but I have a friend, Kathy, my best friend Kathy of the middle page. She does love the magnifying mirror because she, can't see that well close up. So this really helps her. And I know a lot of women are that way. So this comes with this magnifying mirror. Makes a world of difference. If you really want to be able to see yourself like, close up, again, it's going to really help you to do your makeup just beautifully. It also comes with this really cool iPhone case holder. So if you're an influencer, or if you just wanted to tape yourself on your iPhone, like doing your makeup, like I've done a lot of my tutorials that way. I'll put my phone here and then I'll do my makeup for you guys. It's really kind of cool. Maybe you have an Instagram account and you want to, video yourself and create a reels. Maybe you're a mom and you just want to like show off to your teenage daughter and be like, hey, look what I did. I created this video doing my makeup. So she'll think that's really cool, I promise. But anyways, this makeup mirror is phenomenal. Again, part of the anniversary sale, and it is fully stocked. So those were the 10 beauty products, all part of the anniversary sale. And they all definitely will help us look like younger versions of ourselves, because I believe we all deserve to look and feel like the best versions of ourselves. So please let me know what your favorite beauty product was. I always love hearing from you guys. For more style information, you can head over to SoHeather.com, and on Instagram, I'm SoHeatherBlog. So you guys have a beautiful day, and until next time, I will see you soon. Bye-bye.